To my channel MATLAB class. So today I would like to post one project video in the field of digital image processing. Now just click this button to run the code. It will open one graphical user interface. So basically this project is about steganography in RGBA image. So RGBA stands for red, green, blue and alpha channel plane. So we are going to hide data in all the four planes, that is in the red plane, green plane, blue plane and alpha channel plane. So basically alpha channel plane we consider as a transparency plane. So we use this plane for transparency purpose. Now just click on first button, that is transporter side. So it will open one more graphical user interface. So this is the embedding GUI of the project. Now just click on select JPG file and just select one JPG file from input database. So I'm going to select this Lina image. Just click on open. That image will display over this axis. Yes. Now you have to select a secret image as well. So just click on this button and just select one secret image from input database. So I'm going to select this image as a sec image. Just click on open. That image will display over this axis. Now just click on encrypt secret image. So just click on this button. So this process will encrypt this secret image with the help of AES encryption algorithm, and that output will display over this axis. It will take few seconds to create this encrypted secret image, and simultaneously we are having various input parameters like how much bits you want to embed in a single pixel of a green plane, means how much bits you want to embed in a single pixel of a green plane. So that input will vary from 1 to 8. In the second input parameter, the parameter is how much bits you want to embed in a single pixel of alpha channel. So in alpha channel, how much bits you want to embed, so you have to enter here. And the same manner, how much bits you want to embed in a red plane and how much bits you want to embed in a blue plane. So you have to give the input of all these four parameters. So this is my encrypted secret image. Now just enter here 2. So I'm going to here 2 2 2. So 2 bits I want to embed in a single pixel of a green plane, 2 bits in alpha channel, 2 bits in a red plane and 2 bits in a blue plane. Now just click on embed image. So this encrypted image will be embedded into the cover image. So it will take few seconds to embedding purpose. Yes. Now this is my alpha channel after embedding, and this one is my stego image, and these are the two histograms, that is histogram of RGBA before embedding and the histogram of RGBA after embedding. And this is all about our embedding process. Now just click on save stego image button and just save this image with the help of any name. So I'm going to save it by using name stego2.png. just click on save button. Clear all the content of the graphical user interface, and at the same time you have to remember all these four parameters because these four parameters are required at the receive side. So just click on clear all and just close this graphical user interface. Now we are going for second side, that is the receiver side. Just select stego image button, just click on select stego image button and just select stego2.png image. Just click on open and you have to enter here that parameters 2 2 2 and 2 and just click on extract sec data. So this process will extract the secret data from this stego image. So basically now our secret data is encrypted data. So after retrieving that data, you have to decrypt that data with the help of AES decryption algorithm. Yes. Now this is my extracted encrypted image. Now we are going for a decryption. So just click on decrypt secret image. So it will decrypt our secret image, and that image will display over this axis. So it will take few seconds to run the process. So, and this one is my recovered cover image, this is my Stego image, and this is my extracted encrypted image. Yes, now this is my decrypted secret image, the same image we are getting at the receiver side. Now we are going to save that image by clicking this tab with the name secrec.png. Just click on save. Clear all the content of the graphical user interface and close this graphical user interface. Now we are going for test matrices. Just click on this button and select cover image and Stego image. So lina.jpg is our color image, and the second is our Stego image. Stego 2 is our Stego image. So just select that image, Stego 2, and just click on test parameters. So my PSNR in dB of RGBA is 41.8278. The MSC for the same is 1.62547. The number of bits that we have embedded is 131072. The embedding capacity of this Lina image is 2.09715 into 10 to 6. The value of normalized cross correlation of RGBA is 0.998217, and the average difference of RGBA is almost around 0.107903. So these all are various image quality parameters. Just click on clear all and just click on exit and close this main graphical user interface. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, in the field of video processing, in the field of audio processing, then just go to my YouTube channel, like my all the videos, share my all the videos, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.